Hello there, I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Figoo S2 e-bike. Now, current impression, when you look at the box, it looks really sturdy and it's really heavy. So usually the heavier the material, the better quality this bike should be. Now, obviously we look around, really well packed, very, very sturdy box, so you can transit this wherever you want. So let's have a look inside. Let's take the scissors, let's do some cable untying. Right, there we go. And let's see if we can get into this box. It's a really tough packaging. Okay, very good. Now, as we open the box, what can we see inside? Well, lots of packaging. So as we look inside the box, we can see everything is well packed in here. A lot of foam, keep this bike really safe while it's traveling. And also, very importantly, we have a toolbox. The toolbox will include all of the things that we need to install all the different parts of this bike. So let's put this down here. On the side, let's unpack this box. Foam, to keep it all safe, and our instruction guide so that we know how to do things. And this is the rack at the back for the extra seat as well. Let's take all this out one by one. And this is our seat as well, seat covers. So put that one there. Right, so let's try and get this out of the box. It seems really heavy. Let's have a look. Right. Oh, it's a really heavy box. So we've just taken this Figoo S2 bike out of the box. Now we're ready to unpack and untie all of these cable ties one by one, and then we can see the bike in its full glory. All right, so first of all, we can see this is the handlebar section, so this will go on the bike. So when we're riding the bike, this is what we'll put on first. Now, a good place to start with unpacking this is to get the wheels on the bike together so that we don't have to hold it together by ourselves. Okay, so we want to put this handlebar mount on here. First of all, we have to unscrew this, make it really loose. Take this middle piece out here. You can see this one, and then this one also comes off as well. Then this piece will go into here like this. So just use a bit of pressure, on it goes. And then the screw that you just took out of here, the screw will go back into this piece here. And then you put it in, turn it, tighten it up, make sure it's very tight. Okay, and take the 4mm wrench and just Allen key and then tighten it up into there so it's really tight. Again, the same with the other one as well. And the handlebars are now ready to use, all tight and safe. So the first thing about this bike is that you don't have to put both the wheels on. It's already been done for you. So when it is packed up, you just have to put this together like this. I'll show you how to do it. Very simple, like that. And then we clip this across here. Make sure it clicks. So there we go, we got one full bike ready to use. Now, this is made from aluminium. It's aviation aluminium, AL6016. It's really hard material. It's really heavy as well. Now, first of all, what you do notice about this is the battery pack is here. This is the battery, and it's you can take it out, put it back in. Very simple, and just with your key here. So put that back in there. Now, what are some of the features of this bike? Well, first of all, we have our back seat here if you want to use this one. We've also got at the front we have a light. Let me show you this. The three things here. We've got the light, which comes with it. We've got the basket, and we've got the extra mudguard at the front here. So let me show you how to put these together. First of all, the light, very simple, just connects to this piece here. Let me show you how to do it, and make sure you get the things lined up and then use a bit of pressure just to put them together, just like that. Now, if you want to put this on the front, you just need to use this part here. This is where it will stick on here. Okay, I won't put that on right now, so just to let you know how to do that. Now, for the basket, if you want to use this basket, you've got some holes here. This is 4 holes. You can see the screws here, 4 screws here. Just take these out, put the basket on, and screw it back in. Very simple, very easy. And the same thing goes for this. Now, you can use the front guard here as well. The same thing, just stick it on like this. It goes into here. Okay, so that's a very simple but effective thing. Now, obviously, look at this bike. It's really heavy, really high quality. The seat is adjustable. Let me show you how to adjust it. Here on the back is a clip. Just undo the clip and suddenly your saddle is movable. So you can move it up and down to the height that you want. Once you've found the right height, just clip it back in. It's very sturdy, okay? It won't go up and down anymore. Great, so that's the main features of this bike. And it's ready to use. We can test it out straight away.
It can be seen that the vehicle accelerates very fast, and the resistance of pedaling is not obvious under the adjustment state of the upper 7-speed transmission in the riding mode. Now we deliberately came to ride on a bumpy road to try its off-road experience, and we can see that its brake disc works very well. It's safe, and I like that. This shock absorber system is very well done, enough to see that it greatly absorbs the shock and reduces the impact of the amplitude. After the whole ride, the off-road performance is very good. The airbag shock absorption makes the ride very comfortable.
So after riding this bike, I can say that the motor is at the rear hub here, and it's giving a great power, almost 750 watts. The top speed of this bike is around about 40 to 45 kilometers per hour. Now, it's really suitable for off-road and in the city as well. They've got the fat tires with a really thick tread. So you can drive around in the city really comfortably with the pedal assist, or you can go off-road up the mountains and again use the pedal assist and the motor to help you with the different terrain. I really recommend this Figoo S2 model. It's really high quality, really sturdy and great quality.